Hi everybody, it's Matt Turner, travel agent with Pixie Vacations, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an advanced dining reservation at a Walt Disney World Resort restaurant. Now these can be made 60 days out from your arrival date, and you can make them for the entire duration of your trip. It's very important to do these 60 days out so that you get the restaurant you want at the time that you want. You can do this either using My Disney Experience on the Walt Disney World website, which is at disneyworld.com, or you can use the My Disney Experience app on your mobile device. So I'm going to show you how to do both today. First, let's start with the website. So you're going to go to disneyworld.com, and once you get there, you're going to go over to the tab in the upper right that says My Disney Experience. From there, you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says Sign In or Create Account. You'll get to the sign in page, you'll enter in your email address or username and your password, and you'll click sign in. So once you're signed in, now we're going to go up here to the top at the My Disney Experience tab again, and we're going to scroll down, and we have an option about 2/3 of the way down the list for reserved dining. So we're going to go ahead and select that option. And we're going to get a page that shows us a big long list of restaurants all across the Walt Disney World Resort, both at the hotels, Disney Springs, and inside the theme parks. And this is going to show you actually the table service restaurants, the signature restaurants, and the quick service restaurants. So in order to eat at a table service or a signature restaurant, typically you're going to need an advanced dining reservation. Sometimes you can make these the day of, but for the higher demand restaurants, you will need to make them that 60 days out. So you can filter this down by dining experience, price range, the type of cuisine, the guest rating, and also whether or not they accept the Disney dining plan, which currently is not being offered due to COVID-19. So what you'll do is you'll go up here to the top and you'll select the date that you would like to eat at that particular restaurant. If it's a restaurant that's inside of a park, you want to make sure that that's going to correspond with the day that you'll actually be visiting that park. You can then select your preferred time and the size of your party. Once you do that, you can click on Search Times, and it'll show you all the restaurants that are available at that particular time. The other way you can do this is to search by restaurant. So for example, let's say I wanted to eat at Le Cellier Steakhouse. I would go ahead and I would click on that restaurant name. And on that restaurant's page, it gives me the opportunity to view the menu, tells me a little bit about the restaurant and the price range. And then there's this little blue box that says check availability. So let's say that I want to dine at Le Cellier on July 15th. I'll select that date, and I can either select lunch or dinner for this location. Some of them offer breakfast as well. Or I can try to pinpoint a more specific time. So let's say I want to eat there for lunch and I want that to be around 1 p.m. I'll go ahead and I'll select 1 p.m., party of 1, and I'll click search times. And similar to the search by time option that we discussed earlier, I'm going to see available times pop up. And sure enough, they have an exact 1 p.m. match. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that to select it. You would use the same process if you search by time. And it asks me who will manage this reservation. I'm going to select myself, and I'm going to go ahead and click next. It's then going to ask me for a credit card to use to guarantee my reservation. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll select the credit card that I have on file, and I'll go ahead and click next. So it's then going to ask me what my email address and phone number are. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add those. If you have any food allergies or special requests, we can go ahead and add those right here. Disney's great at handling food allergies and making special modifications to dishes to help with your needs. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to read the guest policies and agree to those policies. And then I'll click reserve. And once I do that, I get this confirmation screen, and I will also get an email confirmation to my email address that I entered earlier, letting me know that I'm all set for lunch at Le Cellier. Another neat feature is that My Disney Experience will go ahead and automatically add that reservation to the My Plans page. So in order to access that page, you come up here again to the My Disney Experience tab, You go down to My Plans and select that. And then as I scroll down, once I get to July 15th, it's going to automatically mark me as being at Epcot that day. And it's going to add Le Cellier Steakhouse for lunch right here. And you'll also be able to see that in the app so that you are reminded that you do have that reservation. Now, let's say I wanted to cancel or change that reservation. I could come over and I could use one of these two buttons, either the change reservation button or the cancel reservation button, to change my time or to cancel my reservation. Now, for a popular restaurant like Le Cellier, changing the reservation is maybe or maybe not going to be possible. So you do want to make sure that you get the very best possible time for you and your family right up front. Okay, so now let's take a look at making dining reservations using the My Disney Experience app. And you can find this app both in the Apple App Store and on the Android Play Store. And so what we're going to do, we'll open up the app and we're going to click on the plus button in the middle bottom of the screen. That'll bring up a menu, and the top option is to reserve dining. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Once we do that, it'll ask us what our party size is. I'm going to push 1, and it will give us an opportunity to select the date that we'd like to dine. I'm going to do July 13th, and I would like to have lunch. So it's going to search reservations that are available around the lunch hour. Now, I happen to know that I am going to be at Disney's Animal Kingdom this day. So I want to narrow down the search results that it gives me. And in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, it has a little filter icon. So I'm going to click on that icon. And it gives me the opportunity to filter by location. And I'm going to select Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. And as I can see, when I click done, it's going to give me the 2 restaurants that are available for reservations at lunchtime that day. Now, Tiffin's is the preferable restaurant here, so I want to eat there, but I don't really want to have to wait till 1 o'clock to eat. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to scroll across the top where it says search by time, and I'm going to be more specific, and I'm going to say, how about around 11:30? And with Tiffin's, it comes back up as 12:35. Seems like that's the closest time that I'm going to get. So I'll go ahead, I'll take that one. So I'll select that time. And then it brings me to a screen that's similar to what we saw through the web browser earlier. It's just going to ask me for my contact information, credit card to guarantee the reservation. It'll give me the opportunity to enter in allergy and other food requests, and then also read and agree to the guest policies. So I'll go ahead and I'll select that, and I will book now. And now I get my confirmation screen and also an email that pops up that shows me that my dining reservation has been confirmed. And it gives me all the information I need around my reservation. You can also cancel or modify your reservation from the screen as well. But let me show you how to pull that up somewhere else in the app. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to close out of the dining confirmation screen. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to select the menu button in the lower right-hand corner of the main page of the app. And in here, I'm going to see a number of different options related to my account. I'm going to go to the My Plans page, and I'm going to scroll down to Monday, July 13th. And there under my Animal Kingdom Park Pass is going to be my dining reservation for lunch that day. It's a great way to remind yourself what time your reservations are. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on that reservation, and it brings up that same dining reservation screen that we were on previously. And I have the opportunity to cancel or modify. Let's say I decide I want to cancel this. Now I need to make sure that I cancel this reservation before midnight of the night before the reservation. Otherwise, I could get charged a cancellation fee by that restaurant. So I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to cancel the night before. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to push the cancellation button. It asks me to confirm whether or not I want to cancel. I'm going to select yes, I do. and it has now disappeared from my plans, and I will get an email as well. There it is, confirming that my reservation has been canceled. So it's as simple as that, and I'd be happy to answer any additional questions that you might have down in the comments below. Please give us a subscribe and a like so that we can continue making this content for you. And if I can help you with your planning for your next Disney vacation, I'd love to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hi, my name's Matt Turner with Pixie Vacations, and I'm here to help you plan the vacation of your dreams. As a fee-free travel agent, I'm here to help make sure that you get the best possible price, quality of service, and experience out of your hard-earned vacation dollar. My expertise will help me personalize every aspect of the vacation experience for you and your travel party. I specialize in vacations to Walt Disney World, the Disneyland Resort, the Disney Aulani Resort in Hawaii, the Disney Cruise Line, Adventures by Disney, the Universal Orlando Resort, and Royal Caribbean Cruises. I take the hassle out of planning your vacation so you can enjoy the fun parts. Contact me today at mattturner@pixievacations.com or 512-766-8414. I look forward to getting to know you and helping you maximize every bit of your vacation experience.